Electrification is an enormous theme at UK Construction Week. We have the Electric Vehicle Arcade, and of course we're delighted to have Ford joining us here as well. Here's Patrick. Tell me what Ford is doing here at the show this year.
Well, hello. Yes, we're basically opening up discussion to electrification. It may not at the moment be right for everyone, but we're hoping that we have a solution for people now and for the future. I think that's probably the best way to put it.
So Ford's brought a selection of its new electrified vehicles. We've got Transit over there. You've got another couple of Transits, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. There's certainly a lot of conversation around electrification at the moment. And like you say, that's what you're trying to tap into. How have the conversations been so far here?
Really positive. I mean, 2 years ago, you probably couldn't have mentioned electrification at all. Couldn't have mentioned it. Now it's on everyone's lips. And in fact, not discussing it is probably the worst thing you can do. So for us, we are hoping that, again, that opening that discussion means people, one, understand the technology and aren't frightened of it, and also some of the anxieties they have, such as range anxiety, which comes up again and again, we can actually, through these models in particular, we can show that's something they don't need to worry about anymore.
So we've got a Ranger, we've got a Transit. Let's have a look over to the other side of what is actually a pretty extensive booth here this week, Patrick. And this is very new, really. This is one of the new Transit custom plug-in hybrids as well. And like you say, electrification, full-on electrification, isn't for everyone, which is why it's important to have a range of options available.
Yeah, I mean, this one you're standing beside here is, as far for me, is the star of the show. It is actually a fully electric vehicle. What it has on board, though, is a generator. It's a small little engine. It's a 1 litre EcoBoost engine, and all that means is, should you have a situation where you are travelling between towns, for example, you will never have the problem of wondering whether you're going to get to the next charging point, because it has got a fueling point on the generator on there that will actually drive the battery. The petrol engine doesn't drive the wheels of the vehicle, it's the battery that does that. So it's a fully electric vehicle.
It's just the range extender, isn't it? You know, and it does tick both of those boxes. Are you losing any of the, the famous load space in the back of the vehicle? You've got the same sort of capacity that you would normally expect?
Yep, totally. The 1 tonne carrying load, and also the 6 metre cube in the back of the vehicle as well. So no compromise on delivering those goods.
Really good stuff. Well, listen, Patrick, thanks for joining us on UK Construction Week TV. I hope you have many more fruitful conversations here, and look forward to seeing what you bring along next year as well.
Lovely. Thank you very much indeed.
Cheers.